Hello everyone and welcome back to Hex. After a successful recent teardown video of this 2026 MacBook Neo, we've seen some of your recent comments and decided to actually listen to you guys. So we have our senior technician Greg back over here to take this MacBook Neo's keyboard apart, and also we're going to see how long it takes to put this laptop back together from start to finish. So the first part was to remove this black cover right here, which as you can see comes off fairly easy by use of some tweezers and just gently peeling it off. The good news already, and I'm loving this, is that there's no rivets or any glue apart from the sticky black cover in this keyboard. It's all screws holding it, which can be easily taken apart. This is insane because it's now definitely the most repairable MacBook ever. Just when we thought Apple didn't want to have any repairable products, they come out with this banger. So this keyboard is held by a total of 45 screws, yes we counted, and then it just pops out. It's not backlit, which I think makes it even easier to disassemble. This is honestly absolutely amazing news for us repair shops and also for the consumer, because it's not going to be a complicated repair, which in turn possibly lowers the price of the repairs. So not only is this a low entry price of $599 for the actual machine, it also looks like cheap repairs are on the table for this one as well. So as I previously mentioned, after about 15 to 20 minutes of unscrewing all the screws, the keyboard just pops out as a whole unit, and it is actually really satisfying to even watch. Just take a look at this. Alright, so now for putting it back together. We set the timer and Greg went off. We sped this video up quite significantly, but there's a couple of bits where I actually showed the elapsed time on the camera's timer. The total amount taken to put this MacBook Neo back together in its entirety was 31 minutes and 45 seconds. This entire video was also edited on this exact MacBook Neo after we put it back together, because I wanted to see how well it handles 4K Premiere Pro editing, and it literally spat this out without any problem. Rendering this video took around 6 minutes, and yes, there will be a video of that coming soon as well. For now, thank you very much for watching, and also thank you for the amazing amount of views and subscriptions on the teardown video. It really means a lot to us, and if you like this content and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, like for more, and thank you very much again, and all the best.